Hey guys, Alton here. As promised, I'm going to start pushing out more content here on my Instructor Alton YouTube channel. So while a lot of us are stuck at home dealing with COVID-19, here in California, we are on stay-at-home orders. So a lot of places are closed. The only thing that's really open are the grocery stores and some restaurants for takeout. And while I'm stuck at home working and also really not having anything to do outside of home because, well, I shouldn't be leaving, so I'm not leaving, is I've decided I'm going to produce a lot more content for you guys. And for myself, I'm going to learn ethical hacking. Now, for me, this is going to be a journey. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I want to take you guys on that journey. And one of the best ways to learn something is to do a teach back where you're teaching it back to other people. So my goal is to take you guys on this journey and to teach you what I'm learning. Now, in terms of this journey, I really don't know how long it's going to take. It could take a few months. It could take 6 months. It could take 9 months. It could take over a year. I'm going to take as long as it takes. And in terms of resources, I've already purchased some books. I signed up for a certification course on eLearn security. Of course, I teach on Udemy, so I went out and I purchased a bunch of courses on Udemy as well. And I've also found lots of great YouTube tutorials. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to start going on that journey together. Now, the first thing that I'm really going to focus on is Linux. I feel like that's the foundation. And so we're going to focus on learning Linux fundamentals together. And for example, I have one of my books right here that I picked up, and I'll go ahead and I'll show it to you guys right there. Zoom it on in, Linux Basics for Hackers. And essentially it's Kali Linux. And I'm going to teach you guys what I learned with Kali Linux along the way. But we're going to start off with Linux fundamentals and command line interface stuff in Linux. And then from there, I'm not really sure where we're going to go. If we're going to go to Python, if we're going to continue on with Linux administration and other things, or if we're going to talk about pen testing and different concepts and terminologies that go along with that. I'm not really sure. So anyways, that's the quick update. The next video that you guys are going to see is the first video in the series where we're going to be talking about Linux. So anyways, guys, I hope to see you here on the channel watching these videos. For those of you that are my students on Udemy, look out for my announcements. For those of you that aren't, be sure to subscribe here on my YouTube channel and hit that notification button so you're notified when I upload new content on a regular basis. But anyways, guys, stay safe. I hope that you're doing well, you're healthy, and your family is doing well as well. And I look forward to seeing you at my future videos. Take care and have an awesome day.